Well, welcome back to the Piney Woods Homestead, y'all. We're going to do something fun today. We're taking an excavator up to the big barn that y'all have never really seen, I think, but one time on the channel. And we're going to do some clearing work. We used to keep horses up there. And ever since we got out of the horse business, I've just let it grow up. We don't even go up there to hardly do anything. That's where the cabin is, though. Kind of below the barn. So we're going to take it up there, do a little bit of clearing. Somebody asked the other day if I had any clearing videos. There's a few from the garden, expansion, and probably from woodyard number 2 that we started building. But first, before we get up there, I'm going to show you something pretty neat. Come here, sweetie. So you may be thinking, what in the world is that you just showed us? It looks like a cinder block. Well, it's more than just a cinder block. We had some folks come over the other day and kind of made a few new friends, and one of those new friends is a young girl, goes by Edie. And she made I think it's called a fairy tale garden. I can't remember. Maybe it's a princess garden. I can't remember now, but young children are creative, have creative minds. And she took some chicken feathers she found and some sticks and made her a little village. And unfortunately, Sweetie here, I think, has been using that spread. Guys, we're gonna get on up to the barn and get to work. 2 black racing snakes, a couple of rabbits, and I think 1 deer. Later, in about 6 or 7 hours on the machine, and it's cleared. You see the barn again. I even came down where the cabin is and cut just a shallow swale just to keep any rain from floods to run on down that way instead of up behind the cabin. So I had intended on just clearing this, but the further I got into it, I decided there's a few stumps I can dig up that aren't too terribly big for the machine, and there's some grading that would sure look good. So I guess now I got to get some grass seed and put it on here tomorrow, because I think the rain's coming. But it looks good, y'all. A lot of holes are filled in, and good stand of grass to come up if I can get some seed on it in the morning. I think it'll look pretty good. Well, guys, that's it for today. I'm going to take it to the barn. Take it to the house. I'm already at the barn. I'm going to take it to the house. I'm whooped. Y'all have a good day and a great week. Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high. We'll see you on the next one. And if anybody says you can't clear with an 8,000 pound excavator, you can. Y'all have a good day.